In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to use Mailchimp with Shopify, step by step, so you can connect your store and start syncing your email marketing setup the right way. This is a really useful integration if you want to save time, grow your audience, and keep your customer list organized without doing everything manually. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open your web browser and sign into your Shopify admin account. Once you're logged in, you'll be on your main Shopify dashboard, where you can manage products, orders, apps, and everything else tied to your store. If you're already inside your store, that's perfect. You're ready for the next step. Now, from the Shopify dashboard, look over to the left-hand side and scroll until you find the app section. In that area, click Add from App. This is where you can discover and install new tools that help extend what your Shopify store can do. Since we want to connect Mailchimp, this is the place to start. After clicking Add from App, type Mailchimp into the search or select it if it appears right away. You want to make sure you're choosing the correct Mailchimp app for Shopify, so take a second to confirm the name before moving forward. Once you see Mailchimp, click on it to open the app listing. On the app page, click Install. Shopify will then ask you to confirm the installation, so click Install again when prompted. This is completely normal because Shopify needs your approval before adding the app to your store. After that, Mailchimp will ask you to log in. Enter the email and password for the Mailchimp account you want to connect. If you don't already have one, you may need to create a Mailchimp account first before continuing. Once your login details are entered correctly, go ahead and sign in. Next, Mailchimp will request permission to access your Shopify store data. This is an important step because the app needs access in order to sync customer information, product activity, and other marketing-related data. Review the permissions carefully, then click Allow to continue. Once you approve access, the connection process will begin. At this point, Shopify and Mailchimp should start linking together, and you may be redirected to a setup or confirmation screen. Follow any on-screen prompts that appear, because sometimes there are a few extra steps depending on your account settings. After the app is connected, take a moment to check your Mailchimp dashboard and your Shopify app section to make sure everything looks active. This helps confirm that the integration was successful and that your store is now connected properly. From here, you can begin using Mailchimp with Shopify to support your email marketing, customer engagement, and automation workflow. That might include building campaigns, syncing contacts, and setting up tools that help you reach shoppers more effectively. And that's it. You've now learned how to use Mailchimp with Shopify by signing in, opening the App Store, installing the app, logging in, and allowing access. If this tutorial saved you time, please give it a like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss the next walkthrough. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.